Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. खूब आगे बढ़ो, खूब अच्छे से रहो. हमारी बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं हैं. Love you, love you, love you.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. We hope you have a great day. We are so grateful to have you as our mother, friend, and a mentor. I hope you love our surprises and keep loving them always. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mukta. A special wish to a very special person, my sister, Mukta. I love you so much, darling. And I am so proud of you, whatever you are doing right now. You're inspiring others. You're a motivation for lots and lots of people around you. I am so proud of you. And I know that Papa is watching you, and he is super, super, super proud of you, baby. Just keep doing what you're doing, okay? Mwah. Oh, is it your birthday? Okay, happy birthday. Just kidding. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, sweetheart. And though age is just a number for you, because you are just going younger and younger each day. So here wishing you a very, very happy birthday. My best pal, my best friend, my partner in all my crimes. And
Happy birthday, Mukta Masi.
wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and we love you. I love you so much, and I really wish that you reach the stars, you grow each and each day, and I'm so proud of you. Love you, sister. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Take care. Love you. Mwah.
Hey Mukta, I know it's your birthday, so wishing you a very happy birthday. All I want to tell you on your birthday is I have seen you evolve in the last couple of years as an Iron Lady, and and you have been an epitome of courage, willpower, and sheer determination, right? And you have been an admiration for many people out there. So have the same attitude towards life. Keep rocking the way you have always done so far, and I wish you all the very best in everything you do, and and enjoy your day. Have fun, have a blast, and once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mukta Masi. Happy birthday to you. We love you. Love you too.
Wish you a very happy birthday to my lovely, beautiful and fitness freak Didi. I'm so lucky to have you as my family. And मैंने इतनी इंग्लिश कभी नहीं बोली, तो प्लीज़ मेरे दिल की बात समझ जाइएगा. Love you so much.
Happy happiest birthday, dear Mukta ma'am. Enjoy each and every moment of the day and your life. Missing you so much. Love you to the moon and back.
Hi, beautiful. Wishing the fittest and most gorgeous lady a very happy birthday I have ever met. Mukta, happy birthday to you, darling. I'm so proud to be your friend. I wish you success and endless happiness in your life. May all your dreams come true. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fit. I love you.
Hi, happy birthday, ma'am. Many happy returns of the day. I enjoyed the journey from being your student, then friend, and yes, now working with you, associated with you. I wish you all the success and achievements in life. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day.
Hi Dee, wish you a very happy birthday. My guru, my motivator, my person who actually pushes me a lot, my shining star. Keep shining, keep smiling. May God bless you with lots and lots of happiness in life. Have a great year. Keep rocking. Bye.
हेलो मुक्ता मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आने वाला साल आपके और आपके परिवार में ढेरों खुशियाँ लेकर आए, सफलता आपके कदम चूमे। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे, लव यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
मेरी प्यारी मुक्कू, on a very special day for a very special person. This message is only for you. केक खाने से पहले प्लीज 20 सेकंड तक हाथ धो लेना। आई लव यू अ लॉट। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Wishing a very happy birthday to my darling Mukku. You are an inspiration to so many and my personal hero, my best friend forever and ever. So here's to your day. Have a wonderful day and all the good things in life for you. Love you so much.
मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे मुक्ता। हैप्पी बर्थडे। तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। हर साल तो इस दिन हम बहुत मस्ती और इन्जॉय के साथ सेलिब्रेशन करते हैं, बट ड्यू टू लॉकडाउन एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग इस बार हमारी बेस्ट विशेस तुम दूर से एक्सेप्ट करो, पर दिल से हम हमेशा साथ हैं। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे बच्चा।
Many happy returns of the day. On this special occasion, I wish you all the success and happiness. Stay safe, stay strong, and keep motivating people. Cheers!
I've known you for more than 2 decades and I'm grateful to be your friend. Wish you a very happy birthday, Mukta. Take care.
Happy birthday, Mukta. Have a great year ahead.
Hi, wish you a very happy birthday मुक्ता। It's a great pleasure for me कि मैं तुझे स्पेशल डे में विश कर पा रही हूँ। कुछ दोस्त होते हैं जो शुरू से ही हमारे क्लोज और हमारे खास होते हैं, उसमें से एक है तू। शुरू से ही तू एम्बिशियस और हार्ड वर्किंग रही है और आज हम सब के लिए इंस्पिरेशन बन गई है। लॉट्स ऑफ लव। अगेन विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैव अ ग्रेट डे। लॉट्स ऑफ लव। बाय बाय।
Hi Mukta, I wish you a very happy birthday from Surya Tennis Academy, Canada. Stay blessed and be healthy and happy. Miss Fit India 2019, happy birthday again.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mukta. It's been wonderful knowing you. It was wonderful at Miss Fitness India 2019. Wonderful time we had. What a lovely person you are, and strong, and such a super mom. I would love to do more workouts with you, and yes, and would love to see you grow and Punk Fitness Studio grow as well. Yeah, thank you.
Hi Mukta, happy birthday. I wish you a wonderful birthday. God bless your happiness forever. Bye, love you, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay fit.
Hey, hi Mukta. आई विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे मुक्ता। तुम हमेशा हम सबकी इंस्पिरेशन रहना, तुमसे बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है।
6 जून स्पेशल है फिटनेस इंडिया मिस मुक्ता सिंह जी का। उनको जन्मदिन की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं और बधाई। ऐसे ही फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में वो तरक्की करते रहें और लोगों को भी फिट रखते रहें। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू मुक्ता मैम।
You a very very happy birthday Mukta. I know you are a very hard working girl. Please be consistent, keep going, keep growing. Take care, enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday Mukta ma'am. Stay healthy, fit and strong.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Sending lots of love your way.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ma'am. Stay happy and stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I wish you smiles and happiness for each and every moment of your life. And ma'am, I really feel very lucky to have you as my fitness trainer, and your guidance makes everything worth it. Once again, really very happy birthday, ma'am, and enjoy your birthday.
Many, many returns of this day, ma'am. I want to wish you all the love and happiness in the world, and which you deserve. Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
जोर से
Start.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. La la la.
Happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. You are a very encouraging and motivating teacher. Be like this forever. And once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Mukta. Happy birthday.
Hi Mukta di, wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday dear Mukta ma'am. Enjoy your quarantine birthday. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi Mukta ma'am, happy birthday. I miss you so much and I miss our workouts, our timings, but I hope you're doing good. It's gonna be so good to see you whenever I come again. I hope you're taking care of yourself and have a really, really good day. Alright, miss you, take care.
Happy birthday Mukta ma'am. Thank you for inspiring so many people. Thank you for teaching me so much. Hope you have a great year ahead.
Many happy returns of the day Mukta. May God bless you with health, wealth and happiness. Enjoy your day.
एक इच्छा कुछ नहीं बदलती, एक निर्णय कुछ बदल सकता है, लेकिन एक निश्चय सब कुछ बदल सकता है, और इसकी मिसाल है मुक्ता सिंह। हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम, लॉट्स ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ, हैव अ वंडरफुल बर्थडे।
Hey Mukta di, many happy returns of the day. You are gem of a person and a rock star. I miss you a lot. May you get everything whatever you wish in your life.
Hi ma'am. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. Bye bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Stay always happy and healthy and stay safe. Happy birthday. Best wishes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to a sweet soul. You deserve that every good thing comes your way. Have a blast. And thank you for the training skills you have given us. We are very thankful to you. Enjoy your day, ma'am.
Hey ma'am, how are you? I just want to wish happy birthday. Always be happy. And I hope we will meet soon, because I am missing all the teachers and punk members. And I just want to come and do Zumba together. And once again, happy birthday ma'am.
Hi ma'am. Happy quarantine birthday and stay safe and hope to see you soon.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mukta ma'am, with all the happiness and good luck.
Hi Mukta, wishing you a very happy and a special birthday. Wishing you success in whatever you do and make all your dreams come true.
Birthday greetings to a very special person. May your day be just as wonderful as the person you are. May God bless you and grant you all your dreams. Happy birthday, ma'am. Have an amazing one. Love you.
Hi Mukta ma'am, happiest birthday. Always keep inspiring us to stay fit and healthy. And I wish you get all the happiness in this world. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday Mukta ma'am. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to one of the rarest gem in my life, who makes me eat less but eat right, who gives me pain so that I can fight, who made me tired so that I can energize. Once again, happy birthday to the Zumba queen and a wonderful person. Enjoy!
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. You're an amazing mentor. Have a great day, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. Hope to see you soon after this lockdown, and be a happy, healthy and a safe birthday. Take care. Bye-bye.
बस इतनी सी कामना है हमारी, आप हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे और इसी तरह सभी को हेल्दी बनाते रहे. विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड हेल्दी बर्थडे.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May God bless you with all the happiness you want and you deserve in the world. And stay fit, stay strong.
Many happy returns of the day, ma'am. Ma'am, you are a wonderful teacher, a boss, a leader and a good friend of mine. You have all the qualities one could look for in a good mentor. From my weakness to my strength, you have always helped me out of the way, ma'am. Having you in my life is a great asset for me. Happy birthday, ma'am. Love you, ma'am. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. I miss your classes. Hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Hi. Wish you a very happy birthday and a very successful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Mukta ma'am.
Hi, happy birthday ma'am. Thank you for bringing good health and fitness for my life.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Hope all your dreams come true. We really admire you and your work. Have a great day ahead. Bye.
Hi ma'am. Wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you plenty of joy, peace, happiness today and every day of the year ahead. Happy birthday again.
Wishing you more success, power, strength, happiness on the very special day for your coming years. And happiest birthday to my first fitness mentor.
हाय मैम, कैसी हैं आप? आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. I'm very proud to be a part of Punk team. Stay blessed always. Enjoy your day and year.
जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. मुक्ता जी, आप हमेशा स्वस्थ और मस्त रहें. वाकई में मुक्ता, आप बहुत स्वीट हैं, बहुत प्यारी हैं. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही हंसते और मुस्कुराते रहें. वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
Hi Mukta, wish you a very happy birthday. I wish I can become a strong woman like you. I know जो तूने अभी तक अचीव किया है, you have done with your hard work, perseverance and patience.
You are passionate, beautiful, amazing and the best. We love you and wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. May you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Birthday fitness queen. Happy birthday, Mukta ji. Wishing you lots of success. May your success have no limit. It continues to evolve. Have a blessed, prosperous, healthy year ahead. Love you. Keep working out.
Hey Mukta, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay fit, young, strong and energetic as you are. Keep rocking.
Hi Mukta ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for being a constant source of inspiration to all of us. Wish you good health, happiness and prosperity over the coming year and hope to see you very very soon.
Mukta, wish you a very happy birthday. You know, there are only a few people who actually inspire me in life and you're definitely one of them, and I hope you keep on inspiring people throughout your life. And yeah, the kind of energy and motivation that you bring to the table, it's inexplicable and unmatchable.
A very happy birthday, ma'am. May you have a wonderful, healthy and a happy life ahead. You are a true inspiration for everyone. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Mukta ma'am. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Mukta ma'am. Many happy returns of the day to you. Love you.
Wish you a very very happy birthday ma'am. Love you.
हाय मुक्ता मैम, आपके बर्थडे पे एक शेर अर्ज किया है। आपके जन्मदिन पर हम देते हैं ये दुआएं, गंदा है। दोस्त भी हो तुम, मेरा सहारा भी हो तुम, तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, बस बहुत हो गया। मैम विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हाय मुक्ता मैम, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। क्वारंटाइन में सब घर पर है, पर आपने सबको फिट रखा हुआ है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल द एफर्ट्स यू पुट इन अस। दिस डे इज़ वेरी स्पेशल एंड सेलिब्रेट इट स्पेशली with your loved ones.
Happy birthday dear Mukta. Stay hit and fit my dear. Enjoy your day. Hip hip hooray.
Hi Mukta ma'am, wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you for motivating us and keeping us healthy in this time of lockdown, and thanks to the Punk team for making it possible.
Hello Mukta ma'am, thank you very much for keeping all of us sane during this lockdown, and you and your team are doing a great job by motivating people to lead a healthy lifestyle. So thank you once again to you and your team, and wish you a very happy birthday.
हेलो मुक्ता मैम, सब ने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया है। मैं बस इतना आपकी पंख टीम के लिए बोलना चाहूँगी। आपने जो पंख अपने स्टूडियो को नाम दिया है, इसके लिए मेरा बस इतना कहना है, पंख की परवाज़ अभी बाकी है, आपके हौसलों की उड़ान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है आपने थोड़ी सी ज़मीन, पूरा का पूरा आसमान अभी बाकी है। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a many happy returns of the day Mukta ma'am, and to the winner of Miss Fitness India. You are a really very big inspiration for me and keep motivating me, and I know मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फूल गई हूँ, तो मैं जैसे ही सब खुलेगा मैं definitely join करूँगी, and I'm missing you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Mukta, this is Anaga from Pune, and I'm wishing you a very happy birthday all the way from Pune. It has been an exciting and a very inspiring 1 month to having known you, and your fitness is amazing and it has inspired me to also work on my fitness. So thanks a lot. Hope you have a long life, hope you have a fit life, and I hope to meet you soon when I can visit Indore. Bye. Have a great day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ma'am, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are a very good friend, mentor and a very pure soul. Always be like this, and thank you for always supporting me and motivating me to give my best. Wishing you the best in life. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Mukta. May this lockdown birthday unlocks health and happiness in your life. Rise high, shine bright. Enjoy your birthday. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mukta ma'am. You are an inspiration for all and you are the best mentor. Keep rocking. Happy birthday.
हे मैम, हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। वैसे तो हर साल आपका बर्थडे हमारे लिए बर्थडे नहीं, एक त्यौहार की तरह होता है और इसकी तैयारी हम बहुत दिनों पहले से ही सभी मिलकर शुरू कर देते हैं। लेकिन इस बार लॉकडाउन के कारण, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के कारण हम ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, बस ये एक छोटा सा वीडियो हम सब ने मिलकर तैयार किया है सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके लिए। आई होप you like this video, ma'am. Enjoy your day to the fullest and yes, our party is due. Bye. Thank you so much everyone. जिन लोगों ने इस वीडियो को बनाने में हमारी हेल्प की, अपने वीडियो क्लिपिंग्स भेजे, थैंक यू सो मच. इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू ऑल ऑफ अस. थैंक यू सो मच.